morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your home. In the previous class before the holidays, we were doing triangle, and also you saw is that some criteria for congruency of triangle. What is the meaning of congruency of triangle? Congruency means if two triangles we have, like triangle ABC and PQR, if shape and size of both the triangles are same, then you can say that these two triangles are congruent. So the required condition for congruency is same shape and same size, right? Means equal in area. Here in the next exercise there are some few more properties of triangle in which today two we have taken first. The first is, if we do you know isosceles triangle? A triangle where isosceles means a triangle which has in which the two sides are same, right? So we take one triangle, it is one isosceles triangle. So if we take AB is equal to AC, right? So there are two theorems. The first state that first I write here, second I write here. First state that if AB is equal to AC, right, then which gives you angle B equal to angle C, right? Angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Clear? So required condition is AB is equal to AC, implying that angle B is equal to angle C. The first thing. Theorem number 2. It is converse of first. This is converse of theorem first, which state that if we have it is given there angle B equal to angle C. This part is given, which gives you opposite sides will be equal, means AB is equal to AC. There are the two property. Actually this is the theorem. So if it is a theorem, then we have to prove that. How it is proved that? How the result has come? Or we can say that this angle is equal to this one if angle AB side AB is equal to AC. Also I will show you some little proving are there of this theorem. But important is you have to learn these two things. Might be you know it in the earlier classes also you may be see, right? You may be seen before. So if sides are equal, angle will be equal. If angles are equal, then opposite sides will be equal. Clear? You have to learn this thing. Now come on proving. Proving is that for the proving, I just take one triangle ABC, right? In which I taken the given part. What I taken is AB is equal to AC. This is the given part. Clear? One construction also I have done. The construction is I draw one angular bisector, not perpendicular. I just draw only angular bisector. This side AD is bisect the angle A, means this part is equal to this one. Okay? ये angle is angle के equal है. So first I will prove these two triangles are congruent. By applying CPCT, we can say that angle B equal to angle C. It's very simple. AB is equal to AC. This angle is equal to angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. These two angles are equal to each other, and side AD is common for both the side for both the triangles. So side angle side angle side. It is finished. Now we can say these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, angle B equal to angle C, right? So one construction also I done here. The construction is AD is angle bisector of angle A, means this angle is equal to this one. Proving देख लीजिए, simple proving है. AB is equal to AC, it is given, and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. It is by construction. Okay, write the reason by construction. Second, AD is equal to AD. This is common. Triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by side angle side, and by CPCT angle B equal to angle C. This is by CPCT. Clear? So this is the first proving. The second proving is state that अब हम यहाँ पर क्या लेंगे, I'll take here angle B equal to angle C और प्रूफ करना है AB equal to AC, right? यहाँ पे देखिए आप, यहाँ पे आप लेंगे एंगल साइड, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है और एडी कॉमन है, तो आप लेंगे एंगल साइड से। तो मैं कंप्लीट प्रूफ नहीं कर रहा हूं, जस्ट ओनली आई राइट हियर, मैंने अब आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है। BAD is congruent to triangle CAD, it is by angle side, ठीक है। यहां पर ये होगा by construction, these two angles are equal, it is by construction, जैसे मैंने वहां ड्रॉ किया मैं यहां भी करूंगा। सेकंड थिंग आई राइट by simplicity AB is equal to AC, ठीक है। अब आपको इसको इन दो प्रॉपर्टीज को यूज करना है क्वेश्चंस पर, और एक बार जो 5 क्राइटेरियाज थे कॉन्ग्रुएंसी के लिए, वो कॉन्ग्रुएंसी क्राइटेरियाज ये हैं। फर्स्ट इज साइड एंगल साइड, नेक्स्ट इज एंगल साइड, ओके, एंड RHS side and angle side angle. These are the 5 criteria that we will use to prove any two triangles are congruent, ठीक है ना। साइड एंगल साइड मिल जाए, एंगल साइड, एंगल साइड, राइट एंगल, हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड and last one is angle side angle, okay। After this now I am going to start the problem. You see, I'll start some question from the exercise first, some other book also I'll do some question here, okay। Thus the first question I taken from the second exercise of chapter triangles. In an isosceles triangle ABC, right, AB is equal to AC, it is given the bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O, right, join A to O, show that OB is equal to OC, the first proving, second AO bisect angle A। पहले हम इसको फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे। फिगर इज, ये एक आपका isosceles triangle है in which side AB is equal to AC, it is given, and bisector of angle O and bisector of angle C, मतलब ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा और ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा, ठीक है ना। मीट एट पॉइंट O, ठीक है। प्रूफ करना है OB इक्वल टू OC। देखिए यहां पर आप करेंगे, पहले आपको प्रूविंग देखिए, फर्स्ट प्रूविंग जो है आपकी, फर्स्ट प्रूविंग मैं कर रहा हूं, इसमें यू राइट एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C, फर्स्ट डिवाइड बाय 2 करें इसको आप, the half of B, so this angle is half of B and this angle is half of C, so also we can write here angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, right, so we have come angle OBC is equal to angle OBC। अब देखिए यहाँ पर आप यूज करेंगे जो मैंने लास्ट 2 प्रॉपर्टीज आपको बताई ट्रायंगल की, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल की। तो द सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी क्या थी, द साइड ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल विल बी ऑफ एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल, ठीक है। तो अब आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे OB इज इक्वल टू OC, बट इसका रीजन थोड़ा लॉन्ग रहेगा, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा द साइड opposite to equal angle are, the side opposite to equal angles are, yeah, of an isosceles triangle are equal, ठीक है। आप जो आपका एनसीईआरटी जहाँ पर जो टेक्स्ट बुक है, जो आपको पीडीएफ फाइल से मिलती है, उस पीडीएफ फाइल में भी आप लैंग्वेज को देख सकते हैं। तो यहाँ प्रूफ हो गया OB इक्वल टू OC, इट इज हेंस प्रूफ फर्स्ट। देखिए इस पूरे क्वेश्चन में जो की पार्ट है, दिस इज द की पार्ट हियर, यू हैव टू राइट द रीजन, ठीक है ना, सिंस यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई द कंप्लीट रीजन। कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन दिस वन एंड आफ्टर दिस यू कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट प्रूविंग। The next proving saying is asking, second one, we have to prove AO bisects angle A, means आपको prove करना है it is side AO, I join this line, we have to prove this means ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, we have to prove. तो इसकी कंप्लीट पे क्या होता है, first you write the given and then you write proof, to prove, and then you come on proof. The given part is that OB is AB is equal to AC. It is given. Okay. This the first part also we have been proved. So we can use this part to prove second part, because the first part we have been proved, right? So the first thing is this, given है AB equal to OC. After this, bisector of angle B equal to angle C, and bisector of angle B and C are also will be equal. तो यहां पर आप देखेंगे एंगल ABO is equal to angle ACO, एंगल ABO is equal to angle ACO. ये पार्ट इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा. अब देखिए पहले ट्रायंगल में जो इसका एक करने का मेथड है, जो आइडिया थोड़ा सा पहले माइंड में मैप हो जाए. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, आई डू दैट. देखिए ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल है, और ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल है. तो क्या हो गया आपका साइड एंगल साइड, ये आपका फर्स्ट पे हो गया. सेकंड देखिए एक होता है साइड साइड, इसको आप ट्रिपल एस से भी प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. AB equal to OC AC and OB equal to OC, we have proved this first in the first part, and AO is common. So these two angles are also equal. Okay, by simplicity we can say this angle is equal to this one. तो दो वेज है, दो में से कोई वे भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने यहां लिख दिया एंगल ABO is equal to एंगल ACO. क्यों? क्योंकि AB equal to AC था और एंगल BC के इक्वल था. रीजन क्योंकि AB equal to AC है, तो ये इक्वल हो गया. सेकेंड थिंग, अब यहाँ पर आप टू प्रूफ लिखेंगे. टू प्रूफ में जो क्वेश्चन हो, जस्ट ओनली राइट द क्वेश्चन AO bisects एंगल A. प्रूफ देखिए, प्रूफ में राइट OB is equal to OC. The reason is proved above. Second, AB is equal to AC. It is given. And angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. It is also given. ठीक है, बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल B and C में एट O जो आपको स्टेट कर रही है कि ये एंगल एंगल के इक्वल है. इसके बाद आप लिखेंगे ट्रायंगल ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. It is by side angle side, and इसको मैंने बोला आप साइड से भी कर सकते हैं, वो मेथड सेकंड होगा. नाउ राइट बाय CPCT AB BAO is equal to CAO, right? It is by CPCT. Congruent part of common triangles are equal. ठीक है, by CPCT. So implying that AO bisect angle A, right? It is hence proved. Clear? This is the answer of second part. You write down this. Now देखिए, the second problem is triangle ABC. It is given there. AD is perpendicular to BC, and we have to prove ABC, show that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Means हमको प्रूफ करना है AB is equal to AC. Clear? Now take angle, the given part. Given part क्या है? AD is perpendicular bisector. It is sign of perpendicular bisector of BC. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, यहां पर आपको मिलेगा एंगल ADB is equal to angle ADC each of 90, and BD is equal to CD, right? These two things has come out from the first line, first condition, and this is the required condition. Now come on, to prove that AB is equal to AC, and the proving is in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. जिस जो ट्रायंगल में आप कॉन्ग्रुएंसी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं पहले आपको वो दो ट्रायंगल अप्लाई कर आपको स्पेसिफाई करना होगा. तो ट्रायंगल ABD एंड ट्रायंगल ADC यहाँ पर मेंशन है. AD इज इक्वल टू AD. पहले आप देख लेते क्या करना पड़ेगा. देखिए AD कॉमन है and BD CD के इक्वल है. These two angles are angles 90 side angle side angle side. ऐसे ऐसे दोनों कॉम्बिनेट हो जाएगा. By CBCD AB is equal to AC is simple, right? If you know and if you can try this question before me also you can try. All right. AD equal to AD. This is common. The first thing. Second, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC each of 90 degree, and BD is equal to CD. Right? It is also you may write. It is also given. You be given. Second, given the question. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side. ठीक है? By CBCD, AB is equal to AC. It is by CBCD. Also, you are right. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Now, this condition is finished. Hence proved. Okay, class. Class, now I take the third problem. In a triangle, the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. The first condition, right? From all this condition, you write the given part first. Okay. So I'm not reading the whole requirement. Just you partition the problem. So first, the condition is ABC is an isosceles triangle. So what the result has come out? The two result has come out. One is AB is equal to AC, and it is also given there. In which altitude B and C to equal side AC and BE respectively, then show that B is equal to C. Right. So from the first part we can say AB is equal to AC, right? And these are the altitudes. Altitude means where the line is intersecting the AC. B is intersecting the AC. CF is intersecting the AB. These two triangles are 90. So this is the required condition we have. The given part is this. AB is equal to AC, the first thing. Second thing also we may write it. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC and each of 90. Also you may see the figure. Angle AEB and angle AFC. These two angles are 90. This thing also I'll use. And to prove that. What is the to prove part is BE. These two altitudes are equal. This thing we have to prove. BE is equal to CF, right? जो दो altitudes हैं उसको आपको equal proof करना है. Now see the proving. Take two triangle. In triangle AEB and triangle AFC. Clear? The first thing AB is equal to AC. It is given. क्लियर. सेकेंड थिंग, एंगल देखिए पहले हम कैसे करेंगे. ये एंगल 90 है. एंगल ये एंगल आप लेंगे कॉमन. एंगल साइड एंड एंगल साइड. क्लियर. ए ऐसा हम अप्लाई करेंगे यहां पर. सो राइट एंगल AAB. ऑल ऑफ द वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम क्लास. नो एनी बिग लॉजिक एंड बिग reasoning are there behind the problem. All of the whole question showing you the answer if you see very carefully, and you have to draw and you have to see the figure as well. From the figure also you may lay out the problems, may have the reasons. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC each of 90, and angle A is equal to angle A. These two, this is the angle is common for both the triangle AAB and triangle AFC. Okay, so I conclude triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC by angle side. Okay, two angle one side. देखिए एंगल साइड में आपको पता होगा ऑर्डर भी होना जरूरी है. ठीक है ना, कि अगर आप ये इट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन का पार्ट नहीं है। यू सी कि अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स हैं आपके, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, सो दिस साइड शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस वन, तभी होगा आपका एंगल एंगल साइड। ठीक है, ऑर्डर क्लियर होना जरूरी है। अगर ऐसा है कि प्रॉब्लम, इट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, जस्ट ओनली आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू। एंगल ट्रायंगल एबीसी और ये आपका पीक्यूआर ट्रायंगल है, तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू। क्लियर? अगर एसी इक्वल है क्यूआर के, तो so we cannot apply angle angle side because the order is not same for both the triangle. Order must be same. So triangle AB is equal to, you got it down? ठीक है, so don't copy down this way, that part. Just only write this one. Triangle AB is congruent triangle AFC, it is angle angle side. By CPCT, I write BE is equal to CF. Okay, it is by CPCT. And this is our required proving. It is hence proved. Now question over. Class, now see the fourth problem. It is the reverse of first problem. Reverse of question number 3 just before. ठीक है ना? And angle इसमें figure draw कर लें आप. Figure same बनेगा आपका. आप draw two perpendicular from B and C, it is BE and CF, right? ये 90 है आपका, आपको given ये है यहाँ पर, the given part is that triangle ABC is just only a triangle. Clear? The two altitudes B and CF to side AC and BC are equal. Meaning is that जो इसमें given part होगा आपका होगा BE is equal to CF. First thing. Second, as it is mentioned, BE and CF are altitudes. Okay. So also you write as in this, इसका ऐसा ले सकते हैं आप, AC is perpendicular to BE, right? And CF is perpendicular to AB. ठीक है? This two it is perpendicular है. अब if it is perpendicular, so these two angles will be 90. This it is make sure it is as obvious. And to prove, it is mentioned in the question, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF, and the second proving, first is it is AB is equal to AC, right? Clear? So now it is now start the proving. I am starting the proving. Take two triangle in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, right? So the first I'll take angle A is angle A. Both this is the common angle for both the triangle. देखिए मैं कैसे करूंगा, यहाँ पर ये एंगल कॉमन होगा for both the triangle. इस ट्रायंगल के लिए, ट्रायंगल ACF के लिए, ट्रायंगल AB के लिए, these two triangles are 90, okay, and B is equal to CF. तो आप लेंगे एंगल एंगल साइड एंड एंगल साइड, ठीक है ना? एंगल दिस साइड एंड एंगल दिस साइड, ओके? तो एंगल ए इज कॉमन. नेक्स्ट राइट एंगल AE B is equal to angle AFC, each of 90 degree, and BE angle AFC and angle AEB. B is equal to CF. It is also given in the question. Applying the property angle side, okay? Angle side order is also you have to check the order. Angle start from here. Angle side. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. It is by angle side. Okay. The first proving has finished here. It is hence proof. And for the second proving, as we have been proved, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Triangle ABE, triangle ACF, right? It is proved just in the first part. You write the proof above. Also, you may write the reason as well. जहाँ पर आप angle side भी लिख सकते हैं. It is not wrong. Will not wrong. and by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. It is by CPCT, right? And if two sides are equal, then triangles will be isosceles. Then we will write triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right? Now the question over. It is hence proof. So the fifth problem, it is very much simple problem, one line problem. It is a triangle. There are two triangle ABC and DBC. Both are isosceles, in which AB is equal to AC. In this one, BD is equal to CG. Clear? We have to prove angle ABD is equal to angle AC. These two angles are equal to each other. We have to prove that. So simple way is that I am telling you one first orally. You just let it. It is angle 1. It is angle 2. It is angle 3. It is angle 4. Clear? So also you may say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Reason, angle opposite to equal side in a triangle are equal to each other, right? The first theorem I am stating here. Angles opposite to, OPB means opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Clear? Angle 1 is equal angle 2, and angle 3 is equal angle 4. Clear? The same reason also will be stated here. Same reason will copy here. Okay? I just take a this same sign. Same reason will come here. So you will write it. लिख लीजिए आप इसको. Angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Clear? Next, now you add both the equations. दोनों equations को आप add करें. It is equation number 1. It is equation number 2. On adding 1 and 2. On adding equation 1 and 2. So angle 1 plus angle 3. देखिए जब आप equations को add करते हैं, so LHS will be add to LHS side, LHS part, and the right side will be add to right side. So angle 1 plus 3 is equal angle 2 plus angle 4. 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4. On adding 1 and 3, you will get angle ABD. So you may tell you the figure, and 2 and 4, which gives you angle ACD, right? It is hence proved. One more problem also we may add. We may add here. This is from my side. If the question comes, the next proving, हम एक और ले लेते हैं question को. आप ले लीजिए. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACT. ठीक है? अब आप इसको join कर लें. Now joining AD. Clear? अब इसमें आप जब इसको देखेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा कि आपने ये दो ट्रायंगल ले लिए. अब इस ट्रायंगल में ये साइड इस साइड की इक्वल है, ये साइड इस साइड की इक्वल है, राइट? एंड ये आपका इंक्लूड एंगल है, ये इसके इक्वल है. सो साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड. ठीक है ना? सो ट्रायंगल एबीडी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल एसीडी. ओके, तो सेकंड पार्ट आप ट्राई करेंगे, राइट? यू ट्राई योरसेल्फ. मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. ट्राई योरसेल्फ. Okay, this is for you. Class 1, another problem. Have some different type of the earlier problems. देखिए इसमें mention है ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? In which AB is equal to AC. But it's very simple. Side BA. What is the meaning of BA? We have to produce from B to A side. So it is mentioned here BA, right? is produced to D, and how will be produced? It is as AD is equal to BC in such that prove that angle BCD is 90. I just draw the figure first. It is the right angle triangle. Oh, sorry, it is the isosceles triangle ABC. ABC, right? It is AB is equal to AC. It is given. Produce BA. So B from A side. आप A को extend करेंगे. आपने A को extend किया. In such a way that AD is equal to DB. Means it is D. AD is equal to BD. मतलब ये साइड इसके इक्वल होगा. In such a way that AD is equal to DB. I'm checking the problem first. AD is equal to AB is mentioned. It is wrong here question. AD is equal to AB. Clear? इसको आप नोट करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. I check the problem. So AD is equal to AP and AB is equal to AC. Then we can say AD is equal to AC. Clear? Now join C to D. Clear? It is the required figure. Now see the solution. First that is mentioned here. AB is equal to AC. Right? It is given. On every step you have to specify the reason. And AD is equal to AB. Right? It is also given. So from these two lines we can write AB is equal to AC is equal to AD. We can conclude this one. All three parts, all three sides are equal to each other, right? So AD, AC and AB all are equal. First you see in the triangle ABC. देखिए जिस ट्रायंगल में आप आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल की प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, फॉर दैट वन यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई दैट ट्रायंगल. ठीक है. अब हम पहले अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं ट्रायंगल ABC. तो आई राइट हियर फर्स्ट इन ट्रायंगल ABC. आपको स्पेसिफाई करना होगा कि आप किस ट्रायंगल में आइसोसेलेस की प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो इन ट्रायंगल ABC आपको मेंशन है AB इज इक्वल टू AC. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? इंप्लाइंग दैट एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C. ठीक है. और आप इस एंगल को ले लीजिए x. लेट बी x. इस एंगल को आप x लेट कर लें. सो आई राइट हियर angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. It is let be x. So I mentioned here it is x. इसकी वैल्यू x है. Both angles are equal. And reason क्या होगा? Reason आपका होगा angle opposite to equal side. Angle opposite to equal side